Father God, thank you for giving me the strength to prepare this meal, and I pray that you give others the strength to do so as well. Amen. Hey y'all, today we'll be making Mexican cornbread. This recipe calls for no milk, but it's super moist. Let's start by melting some butter. Now pour that butter into a large bowl. Add sugar. Mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add 4 eggs and we're going to beat them in one by one. Now we'll be adding our creamed corn. Stir it. Next, our diced green chilies. And I'm going to use the whole thing. I didn't drain it, but you can drain it if you prefer. Add your cheese. Stir it. In a separate bowl, we're going to add the cornmeal, the flour, get those little lumps out, salt, and a lot of baking powder. Mix it until it's well combined. Now we're going to add the dry mixture into the wet mixture, a little at a time. You can do it 2 or 3 times. I prefer to do it 2 times. Now we're ready to pour the batter into a greased baking dish. Ta-da! We're finished. This is how it came out. It's super moist, as you can see. And this is just some cold cornbread. I just took it out just so y'all can see a little piece of it. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.